Good morning. This is Lydia from Linbay-Machinery. Glad to see you again. Today, I would like to introduce our upright rack roll forming machine. Here is the upright rack profile in my hand. This profile is used 2.5 millimeters, and also this machine can produce up to 3 millimeter thickness. Now, this is 2.5 millimeter thickness. If you are interested in this upright rack roll forming machine, please see more details with Lydia. This production line is for our Chinese customer. The customer has his own press machine to make preparations on the upright rack. So we offer them only the roll forming machine part. This roll forming machine can produce the black steel, and also it is suitable to produce the stainless steel. That's why this production is very long and has lots of forming stations. In total, there are 42 forming stations. And besides, to produce with stainless steel and 3 millimeter thickness steel coils, it is recommended to use the cast iron stand and with gearbox-driven. Many customers didn't understand why the price is higher than other suppliers. For example, the same cast iron stand we use is 60 millimeter thickness, and it is very tall. Also have smaller cast iron stands. The size of cast iron stands decides decides the weight of steel we use during the production. That's also a very important factor for the machine cost. So we put the cooling system for all the roll forming machine, for each forming station. You can see here will be the recycling waters, and through the tubes it comes out steams to cool up the rollers. During the production, it will prolong the roller's working service and reduce the rollers become soft during the production. This tube have at each forming stations. 好了，往前吧。This production totally has 42 forming stations to make the profile comes out good, and it is suitable for stainless steel joint. Now we are at the cutting system. To make the working speed faster, we use the flying shear at the end of the roll forming machine. This cut will work together with the roll former rollers. When steel comes out, it can walk through the production process and cut. This kind of cut, decline cut, can save the wastage during the cut process. It also can save production costs for all the customers. Here is the control panel. It is portable. You can set up the length and quantity you want to make at this panel. That's all for today. If you are interested in this upright roll forming machine, please feel free to talk with Linbay Machinery. We always offer you best and professional solution of roll forming machine. See you next time. Bye bye.